Hello crafty friends, it's Komenda here, and today I will show you how to make a rainbow layout using collection leftovers and combining it with a picture taken during the ride in the amusement park. So this collection is a summer line, it's called Sunkissed from Coca Vanilla Studio, and it's a little bit older line, and I only have mostly pattern papers and some bits and pieces from embellishments, so I decided I need to be more creative. I wanted also to make a rainbow layout because it was a very joyful event and rainbow screams joy to me, so I decided to add some mixed media rainbow in the background. I have this stencil and it's from Waffle Flower stencil. I don't recall the name, but I will list it in the description. Plus, I will add subtitles with the name of the stencil. And I'm simply applying distress oxide inks using blending brushes through this stencil, creating vertical stripes in a rainbow order, starting with a navy, moving through kind of an aqua, then yellow, orange, light pink, dark pink colors. So it's not a 100% full rainbow. And the stencil is 6 by 6, so I need to move it around my 12 by 12 background paper. That's why I need to wipe it from the colors that I already added on top of it. It's something you need to be careful about because mixing colors may give you new shades that you don't want to have. Plus, if they are far away in the color wheel, they will create a muddy color. So this stencil is also quite fragile because the stripes move, so I need to be also careful while applying the color, moving more up and down than to the sides because it will go in between the stripes. This is the stencil that I bought while ago, I think years ago, and haven't used it yet. And it was one of those, oh, I have to have it because I saw some amazing projects made with this stencil. And when it came, I have never ever used it. So yeah, I am a compulsive buyer. I am so guilty of that. I am so easy to be influenced by the projects that were made with the products, and I'm like, oh my God, I really need to have it. This is stunning. And then when I truly have it in my hands, I kind of don't have an idea what to do with it, and it just stays. And sometimes after a few years, I just purge the new product. So I hope I'm not the only one. Tell me in the comments I'm not the only one who is a compulsive buyer, easily influenced by other projects that are pretty, and I'm sure I will use it over and over again, then I end up never using it. So tell me in the comments, am I the only one? Do you have the same, let's quote it, sickness? The next step after applying my distress oxide is to create a layer of pattern papers, and I am not using papers at all here. The Sunkissed collection had this set of 3 by 4 project life sort of cards, I would say pocket scrapbooking cards, and I had two packages of it, mostly unused because I do not do pocket scrapbooking. So I'm usually using those as tiny samples of patterns or to fussy cut something from them. And this time I just use them to create a rainbow on my layout. And I'm gluing down the picture too, adding a layer of cardboard to add a little bit of dimension. Next, I decided to use those Sunkissed clear stickers, and as you can see, one packaging is almost finished. I have bits and pieces with it, and the second one is new because I got two with my design team parcel. So I'm just trying to use up as much as I can, and to be honest, knowing that I will use those stickers, I chose white background for this page, and I chose this stencil because I knew I will have those brush strokes in the stickers, and I thought it will be fun to find a stencil that will match this idea. Hence, I remembered that I have this particular stencil. So I went with sticking down some of those stickers, mostly trying the technique color on color, adding those up and down. So I was just spending some time doing so, and I cut it out this part from the video, but you know, it's very easy basic process. We don't need to see me struggling with matching bits and pieces. And now I'm finishing everything with those tiny hearts that are in the matching colors too. But as you can see, I still have few stickers left on the older sheet, and again I will have to figure out how to use them up on some other project, because this one, it was one of my favorite Cocoa Vanilla Studio collections because I love colors, and this sheet of paper is something amazing that I love because you can create a whole pack of ephemera pieces with it, almost whole pack, if you are running out of actual ephemera pieces. So it can help you spread the collection even more if you are left with pattern papers. You need to cut apart it into smaller pieces, and this is what I did. I have all those um, tabs and banners in the little plastic container. I also cut it out this rainbow from one of those, and I am gluing down everything as you would do with ephemera pieces. I went through the ephemera pieces leftovers that I have from this collection, but almost none of it was useful for me because I only get like a beach towel, few drinks with the fruits on the glass, so nothing that will suit the amusement park um, theme. And I also have some of those 6 by 12 stickers that I thought maybe some will match, but I only chose this fun in the sun sticker. And then I remembered I have those. They are not from Sunkissed collection. They are from, I don't know, 5, 6, maybe 7 years ago collection. Those are alpha stickers from Coca Vanilla Studio. Color Me Happy, I think it was the name of this collection. And I'm just having fun at Parc Asterix because this is where the picture was taken. And I'm just looking if I have all the letters, and I will group them first on the side and add them to the layout later. And don't worry, this is the sticker protective sheet, so they will not stick to this yellow thing permanently. And this is another almost used sticker sheet that I am using to combine the letters from the packs. And as you can see, I have 3 of those, and I always start with searching the letters in the most used one, and then I move to the second, and if the second is done, I move to the third one, and I have only 3 of those. So if I will run out of letters in the third one, I will need to be creative in creating my own letters, which is something that I usually do because I run out of vowels so quickly. So I usually replace A's with V's turned upside down. I sometimes replace R with P by cutting out part of the letter, or otherwise adding something to the P to create R. You can rotate M to turn it into W, or the other way around. You can kind of trim a little bit of X to make Y. So there are a few ideas on turning one letter into another to spread your alphabet sheet. My layout is almost done. I glued down all the letters of the title with actual glue because they do not stick well and they will for sure unstick in time. So I just prefer to add extra glue. And I am finishing everything with those enamel shapes, and they are also from the very, very old collection. I would say totally rad, but I am not sure. I think it was this collection. It's also many years ago. So I don't think I have like an original packaging of it, or maybe it was Euroc or something like this, but this is it. This is the finished page. Here are a few close-ups of the page so you can see how it looks on the pictures, as video doesn't always show the true colors of papers and embellishments. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for staying with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because you will not miss any of my videos. And if you like this video, please leave me a like, leave me a comment. It will help my channel grow. And that's it for today. See you soon on some other video. Bye!